In the crisp light of early morning, by the peaceful shores of a still beach, an adult bald eagle perches regally atop a tall tree. As the first rays of the sun break over the horizon, they illuminate the eagle's striking white head and tail, contrasting vividly against its rich, brown body. Its keen eyes, sharp and focused, scan the tranquil waters below for the stirrings of life. As the tide begins its slow retreat, revealing the expansive stretches of the beach, a remarkable scene unfolds. Bald eagles, symbols of majesty and strength, start to gather along the shoreline. In a graceful display of avian camaraderie, these magnificent birds descend from their lofty perches, drawn by the bounty the receding waters leave behind. Their sharp eyes, accustomed to spotting the slightest movement, are vigilant and keen, surveying the newly exposed terrain for opportunities. The beach becomes a congregation point, where the regal eagles, with their striking white heads and impressive wingspans, mingle and assert their presence. This gathering, a blend of elegance and survival instinct, offers a rare glimpse into the communal aspect of these often solitary creatures, highlighting a captivating moment in the natural rhythm of the coastal ecosystem. As the tide continues its retreat, the dynamic coastal landscape welcomes another distinguished visitor, the blue heron. These graceful birds, with their long legs and sinuous necks, glide in with a quiet elegance, adding a touch of serenity to the bustling scene. In a swift aerial maneuver, an adult bald eagle targets a fish in a juvenile's talons. The startled juvenile drops the fish into the water. Without missing a beat, the adult eagle soars skyward, then swiftly dives back down, expertly snatching the fallen fish from the water in a display of agility and precision. This dramatic moment showcases the eagle's mastery of hunting and survival in the wild. The eagle, clutching its stolen fish, soars upwards, gracefully flying over other eagles, blue herons, and seagulls gathered along the shore. With powerful wing strokes, it heads toward the shelter of the nearby woods, leaving the busy coastline behind. In the quiet of the forest, the eagle settles to savor its meal in solitude, a master of both sky and land. As more eagles get into action, another adult bald eagle, with a freshly caught fish securely clutched in its talons, gracefully approaches the shore. Its powerful wings beat steadily, carrying it effortlessly over the water towards its destination. The eagle's keen eyes are fixed ahead, as it prepares to land, a testament to its hunting prowess and mastery of the skies. This moment captures the essence of the eagle's strength and independence, a majestic sight against the backdrop of the wild landscape. A juvenile bald eagle, eyeing a fish near a blue heron, makes a daring move. It swoops down close to the heron, startling the elegant bird. The blue heron, taken aback by the sudden intrusion, jerks instinctively to sidestep the eagle's approach. The juvenile bald eagle, now with the fish firmly in its grasp, prepares for takeoff. The blue heron, having observed the scene for a moment, slowly steps away, yielding to the young eagle's victory. With a powerful thrust of its wings, the eagle ascends into the sky, leaving the heron and the waterside behind. An adult bald eagle deftly swoops down to the water, capturing a large fish in its talons. With a powerful thrust, it soars into the sky, effortlessly carrying its catch, showcasing its skill and strength as a masterful hunter. A juvenile bald eagle, honing its hunting skills, gracefully swoops down over the water. With precise timing, it snatches a fish from the surface, successfully securing its meal in its talons. The young eagle then ascends back into the sky, displaying both its growing prowess and the natural instinct of its species. The juvenile bald eagle, attempting an ambitious feat, tries to eat the fish while still in flight. However, the fish proves to be too large to swallow in one go. The eagle struggles momentarily with the unwieldy catch, showcasing a learning moment in its development. This scenario highlights the challenges young eagles face as they master the skills needed for survival in the wild. Eagles, with their sharp vision and keen hunting instincts, are seen cruising above the water, vigilantly scanning for potential prey. They glide effortlessly, their eyes focused intently on the surface below, searching for any sign of movement that could indicate a target. This behavior is a testament to their role as skilled predators in the natural world, always alert and ready to dive down at a moment's notice to capture their next meal.